Eastern PA Weather Authority meteorologist Bobby Martis here with your outlook for the weekend, December 16th and 17th, 2017. For your Saturday, we're going to have partly cloudy skies in the wake of yesterday's system that is now well out of the picture off here to the east and off the frames here. So we will not be dealing with any precipitation actually this entire weekend. Next chance for anything is going to come on Sunday night. It's going to look like it's just a weak system though, with a warm front boundary moving through the area. So we kind of like a backdoor cold front that's going to be moving through over the weekend. So you're not going to see any precipitation with it though. At least we don't think so. Maybe just the far north could see a stray flurry, but that's about it. These are mostly lake effect type things in the usual spots up north. But after that, we do clear out, and Sunday will start off at least partly cloudy, and then after that we go to increasing clouds in the afternoon. Here you can see that little weak, this is a warm front actually. This looks like a system, but it's actually a warm front boundary moving northward. So when it does so, it's going to run into the cold air initially. So I do think you have the opportunity for a few places to see a few snowflakes or maybe sleet pellets, and not a big deal. I don't think it's a big deal right now. You can see that here. It's just very light on this on this image here. So maybe a few sleet pellets or snowflakes, and then once the warm front moves through, maybe a few rain showers. But this is not really. It's actually further south, below this line where it says 32 degrees, will be light rain. So that's what happens with a warm front. We have warm air advection moving through, but then that moves through and off to the north, and we turn warmer. Both Monday and Tuesday. It's going to stay mostly cloudy here on Monday, though. It's still got a disturbance off to our west here. Could be a stray shower with that, but I think most of that activity stays to our west. And then same thing here on Tuesday. We have a frontal boundary moving through, and it's hard to see here, but you have a cold front sitting back here like this. Very weak precipitation along the front, so you might see a stray shower here with this here on Tuesday. The GFS is also not very thrilled with this idea, but we will watch that just in case. I think right now chances for precipitation early next week are going to be slim, and actually through that period of next week it will be slim, but we'll keep an eye on it just in case. Cold front does come through here later on Tuesday, and then we have cooler temperatures up. You just skip over the image. Here you can see those light showers trying to work their way through along the frontal boundary on Tuesday night. Then we get into Wednesday. We turn a little cooler, but we're going back to near seasonal averages. So nothing really cold, maybe slightly above average yet by a couple degrees, 40, 42, 44, something like that. That's what we're looking at for both Wednesday and Thursday. Another system should stay off to our south. We'll keep an eye on that. That's going to be Wednesday, Thursday, should stay off to our south. And then we have another system that's going to be moving up to our northwest. Because it's moving up in this direction, you have a warm front out ahead of it like this. We'll have a warm front move through initially, cold front situated back here like this. You have that warm air advection coming out ahead of it. So Friday, ahead of this front, should be a very warm day. Well, not very warm, but warmer relative to average, and we'll talk about temperatures. They're going to be the upper 40s into the low 50s for highs here on Friday. And going further from this point, we have the showers associated with the cold front that's going to come through on Friday night, and then after that point, we get much colder. Air sits behind here. Also have to watch down south here. The European model, for one, was suggesting a storm kind of starting to brew down here in the Gulf that may have implications, maybe, for Christmas Eve and Christmas Day. It's a long way away, folks, so don't get excited about that yet. But there is the potential that once we get that cold air in after the 23rd, from that point forward, we're going to be colder than average, and there's going to be a gradient that's going to sit up right along here like this, and you can have storms that can move along that gradient, and bigger storms, not this little nickel and dime stuff we've been having, bigger storm potential in that time frame and beyond, straight through at least New Year's. So if this doesn't work out right around Christmas, like some people are going to hope, dreaming for a white Christmas, I get that, you do have opportunities in that couple days after Christmas through New Year's to see something significant in that time frame. I'm Eastern PA Weather Authority meteorologist Bobby Martis. That is our outlook for December 16th and 17th, 2017. Have a great weekend.